This setup makes me want to fantasize my mornings. Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Spring it is. Spring is around the corner here in UK, so we're checking out IKEA's spring collection. If you need home inspo, this is your sign. Okay then, let's get inspired. I would love to know which setup you like the most, so please let me know in the comments down below. I love how they're mixing soft pastels with natural wood tones. Lovely. This setup makes me want to fantasize my mornings. Oh, this is fresh, light and beautiful. Just the right amount of colours, I say. Not too much and not too less. I love how they make small spaces feel so cozy, but still open. Oh wow! This dining space is 10 on 10 for me. Ooh, a nice cozy corner. Look at those wood logs, brilliant. Kind of obsessed with this setup. This can be a good inspo for small apartments. This setup is a good reminder that lighting changes everything. It looks nice how they use neutral tones with little pops of green for summer. Sorry, not summer, spring. Oh, this fireplace stands out nice. Lovely, don't you think? Soft colour scheme here is looking stunning. IKEA really understands the spring. Everything was light, fresh and calming. Thank you for watching, everyone. We do have some more inspo like this for you, so please stay tuned for part 2, and I will should see you very soon with more. Take care, everyone. Bye.